Okay, today we're going to do a musky style will it run video without the video excellence and precision that he does in his videos. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Now I'm thinking that our problem is right here in our carburation do thingy. I think it's gotten some alcohol gas put in it, and it's been a couple years since this has run, so I'm guessing that's the problem. Take the gas line off. We'll probably be getting a new filter and a new bulb. See if we can get that off. You know, we'll wait on that. I can't get to these carburation screws, the carburetor mounting screws. Get these. So I'm going to attempt to take this apart. I have no instructions and really don't know what I'm doing, but we'll give her a shot. That seems to be coming loose okay. I don't know if those nuts are going to drop out or not. One bolt. There's two bolts. Let's look into our fine plastic carburetor. Now we'll have to get this linkage loose. I think we got it. Let's put that plate there. This way. This way and then that way. And that way. Okay. Don't bump that. We'll pry the primer bulb hose off, and we'll get this little spring loose. The only thing will be is whether we can put it back together again. There, and the float. Okay, I think I failed to mention that this is a model 38413 Toro. Okay, here's what we're dealing with today. It's a The Toro 2450 20-inch 5 horsepower. It really works nice when it runs, but hasn't run in a couple of years now. So we're gonna do a will it start on this thing. Oops, we got a little fuel spill there. Let the cardboard soak that up. So this is post carburetor and filter removal. So this will be the end of part 1. We'll get all the parts and get things cleaned up, bring you back for the reassembly and the test run. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I always subscribe to whoever subscribes to me, and we will be giving away another t-shirt at 250 subscribers, so we got another 120 to go. So if you want to enter the I Love My Teardrop t-shirt giveaway, just comment with your t-shirt size. So when we hit 250 subscribers, we'll do a drawing. Some lucky subscriber will win a t-shirt. If you're already subscribed, that doesn't matter. Just put in the comments that your t-shirt size and you'll be considered for the giveaway. I am limiting it to the lower 48 because we have free shipping on that. The only other way we could do it is if you are willing to pay international shipping, and it's probably not worth the t-shirt to pay that international shipping. So we're restricting it to the lower 48 at this time. So thanks for watching.